Hey guys, how are you doing today? Today's recipe is an amazingly soft, buttery and sweet and salty keto butter bread. This is really soft and easy to make, and it's really yummy. You'll forget the white bread and you will not miss it anywhere near. This is Swapna Madhuker here, and let's get started with the keto bread. So for this I'm taking 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to microwave it for 10 seconds. Not too hot, not too cold, just it has to be melted, that is it. And then we are going to add 4 eggs to it. Today I'm going to make 400 grams bread. If you want to make half of it, you can reduce the quantities to half them properly or mix it with a spoon, doesn't even matter. You can use an electric blender to whisk the eggs, and then add 1 cup of keto baking flour. I'm using sugar, so I'm ultra low carb keto baking flour. You can use gluten-free keto baking flour also. They have 2 versions in it, so you can use any one for this recipe. Now mix it properly so the eggs and butter are incorporated into the flour nicely. I'm adding 1/4 cup of water into this. We are looking at a batter which is similar to the consistency of an idli or dosa batter, which is thick but also fluffy. I'll show it to you. I'll turn the camera and then show it to you in a minute. Once I've mixed this properly. Now just look at the batter. I'm going to show it to you guys. Just look at this. This is how a batter should look like. So now for the bread, we are making it a little thicker. If you are making muffins, then you can add little more water to it. I'll share the recipe for that too. So now let's take a mold and then grease it properly so that the bread doesn't stick. Since I'm using a silicone mold, I do not require a parchment paper. You can add a parchment paper if you are using a metal mold to bake. Let's put the entire batter into it. Let's just not waste any bit of it. It's precious. Now just give it a little tap. That is it. Not too much, just a little tap. I'm adding here black and white sesame seeds. You can add these, or you can add almonds, or you can add some berries or dried fruits. That's completely your choice. The bread is half done. I have baked it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. It depends on the oven you are using. I'm adding a dollop of butter to it. I really like the sinking flavor of the butter into the bread. I have baked it at 175 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And just look at the bread, how it came out. This is the quality we are looking at. You can also bake it in a microwave also for 5 to 6 minutes on high. Now let's slice it and see. I'm just making thicker slices, but you can slice them thinner too, depending on your requirement. Just look at it, and it's only 0.5 carbs per 15 grams. That is almost per slice. You're not even getting gram carb also. So enjoy your sandwiches, whether they are cheese, chicken, chili or veg sandwiches, or just toast them and have a little butter on that, or some chocolate spread or some peanut butter. You can enjoy it in any which way you love. If you enjoyed making it with me, please do like, share and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. Thank you.